Hola, it's Gabby here for Crafty Gabby, and today I decide to take a little break from Valentine cards and I make a birthday card. I cut this die cut, it's a big die cut that say happy birthday. I cut it in foam, it's glitter and have his it in the back. And I was designed to glue it down, but when I was going to glue it down, I just thought that I need to add a little bit extra. And I want to add the stamp that say let's celebrate. While I'm doing this card, most of my cards are no plan. I just going while I'm creating them. I know most of them I don't plan it beforehand. It's for that this most of my videos are like here and there, like a little bit messy, but please bear with me. I made these drinks a long time ago, and I tend to stamp my stamps when I get it when they arrive, and make samplers of the stamps. And I did this with these drinks, and I decided to use them with this card. I was trying to go for plain and simple, but I couldn't. I love to decorate and add more colors. And as you see, I placed the die cut to see where I'm going to place to stamp the confetti in different colors. I'm trying to use the same colors where the drinks are. I color the drinks in I stamp and color the drinks in Bristol paper, and I color them with copy markers. After I finish stamping the confetti, I'm going to glue my foam happy birthday. I decided to do it in pink, in yellow, because that way you can give it to anybody. Maybe if you want it for a lady card, you do the happy birthday in pink, and if you decided for a little bit more manly, maybe you don't want to use, you want to use like blue or green. For me, I can do for the way I think, I can do whatever color I want, because I don't think color has genders, but that's my opinion. As you see here, I'm adding foam tape in the back of the drinks to glue them down. That way they are in the same level as the... my dog is snoring. You can do it in the same level as the letters that say happy birthday. I was going to glue all the drinks when I think that I want to add a little bit of glossy accents to the drinks, because they're supposed to be glass, but it's going to look a little bit like glass, glossy accent. Then I add glossy accent in all the drinks. They are 5, and after I wait for them to dry, I prepare the card base and a frame. I didn't fill this because I just cut the paper the size of the card. This is a big card also. It's 6 by 7 or 6 by 8. Oh, now I don't remember, but something like that. As you see, putting the drinks with foam tape everywhere. They already have the glossy accent and they already are dry. I just add the glossy accent in the part where it's supposed to be glass. I didn't add anything in the straws or in the fruits. Well, I prepare, as I said before, I prepare the card base and the frame. I did the frame in green because I think it's going to look good with the contrast of the card. But you can add the frame in any color that you like. I think yellow go good with almost any other color. almost with any other color. After I glue down my car, I'm going to add a little bit of these little jewels in trying to keep the same color as the drinks. And also I'm going to decorate the inside of the car. Almost the same way I decorate the outside. I add a piece of paper in green, and in the top of the green I add a piece of paper on white. You can do this with borders. I mean, you can do zigzag or scallops and they look a little bit more decorated. After I finish gluing this down, I cut a word that I say is your day. It's your day. It's like banner, and I cut it first in green, in the same green that I put in the back, and I didn't like it. It looked like fade, and then it's for that I cut it in black. After I glue this down, I'm going to stamp 2 more drinks, like a pina colada and a martini. It can be, I don't know. And I just, this one don't have any fruit or anything. These are more plain. And because they're going to be inside the car, I don't add glossy accent to them. It's for that when I glue them down, I add wing costella to make them a little bit glitter, and I add also details with white gel pen. After that, I glued them in the inside of the car. I just stamped 3 times the confetti. I was thinking to do a second generation stamp, that way they look like they are in the back. Is a good option. As I said before, I add the glitter, the wing costella, and also add the details in the inside of the car, and I dry a little bit with my hair dryer to be sure that the white gel pen is dry. And I also add details that I already add them, but they get a little bit fade when I add the glossy accent, and I just retrace them again with my white gel pen in top of the glossy accent. Well, this is it. This is my card for today. I hope you like it. Thank you for watching my videos. Until next card. Bye.